Okay, so I'm Dr. Trent Hippard, and we're going to show you one of our practice members, Michael, who had a brain stem stroke 2009. And he was left told by the medical doctors that he would just be in a vegetative state. So I'm going to show you how we get him out of his chair, onto the table, check him for subluxation, adjust him, and we'll go from there. So we use a board to help him slide from the chair to the table and table to the chair. You can grab his leg there down and just kind of lift it up.
Yeah. And then this foot.
Bring it back.
Push back to the side and push it. Up around the floor. So I'll push it kind of back.
Push it back.
You got it.
Yeah, so I can, right.
Get a little push.
Yeah.
There you go. Perfect. Put it on
Turtle power.
Watch out, Annabelle. We're getting smart.
Right here?
Why am I putting it down?
Oh, yeah. It does make
That'll work
it
there
easier.
if you don't want to mess
Yeah,
with it.
yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Just go and turn
I don't want to mess with it anymore.
it. So you grab his legs down. We're just going to move him to your left, my right.
Okay.
2, 3. We did that pretty far.
Yeah.
All right, let me check, yeah?
All right.
Do you need that leg brought back?
I don't know. If you want it goes forward, and I would, or I can.
So what I'm evaluating for is the upper cervical area where the brainstem sits right above the first bone called atlas. I'm checking with a temporal thermometer side to side difference of circulation from the vertebral artery. If it's 0.5 or higher, there's an imbalance, which warrants me to adjust. Okay. And the adjustment that we're doing is toggle. So you ready to go to your side?
Yeah.
So, Don, I'll have you grab his
Okay.
legs.
Ready?
There you go. And you can get up and move it around too if you want. You're good there. 'Cause I'm going to have my back towards you so you can come around. You want me to grab her, Jeff? Bring her in.
The chair was probably in the way, so got scared.
Okay, and this is my niece, so. Okay, can you sit here?
Sit down.
You stay there by Daddy?
Come on.
Okay, she's gonna watch you, Mike. Alright,
Good audience.
yeah. Bring that shoulder back there, good. Keep your head up, just like so. Okay. You ready to come up?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, just grab his legs. Yep. 1, 2, and 3. Awesome, so much easier.
That's good.
Go ahead and hit that when you get a chance off.
Yeah, right.
And when we first started with Mike, it took us about 30-40 minutes to get him on and off the table. And now he's to the point where he can help us, and he's doing lots of other crazy stuff. You ready to go face down? We're going to check the rest of Mike's spine for subluxation. Grab his leg there now. Wow, you almost moved that whole arm out there by yourself. There we go. You let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay. That's good movement. I didn't know that guy was up. Okay. You ready?
Yeah,
Wow, look at you.
I'm trying now.
Grab his legs. Yep. And we'll go on 3. 1, 2, and 3. How we doing?
Real good.
Okay. So the next part, we're going to put him back in the chair. Simple as that, right?
Yeah, it worked real good.
Okay, Don. It's up to you now.
Might be easier if I just got in the chair.
Yeah.
Yeah, but sometimes it helps.
It is. We're doing pretty good now.
I have to go a little slower.
Good. Do you want to get in now?
Uh,
Doing pretty good. You get it wherever you can, and then we'll just move the table.
Okay.
You probably come closer though, forward to Mike.
Spread to the edge now. That's good.
I'll leave this for you. Yeah.
Yeah. Take off.
How's that, sir?
That's good.
Here we go. Get him rocking.
Wait a minute, okay, this is for my. There we go. Okay.
We're gonna have to pull you back.
Got you all twisted. And then push back this way, yeah.
I'll push you back. You tell me when you're going, Don.
Okay.
Cool. Oh, very good.
Good?
That's good, guys.
And that's it. That's how we get it done.